this is a hard question too, if you don't really know. So, is a true and false question. True
No
and
Daily
false.
Challenge 3.
Heck, mind games. True or false? The stories in Kanye West's family business are all about the Chicago rapper's extended family. Is that true or false? Like, are these stories
I guess am I supposed to do the
in
lecture
the song
first?
really about Kanye's family? Yes or no? True or false? They're all about his family. What do you guys think? Family Business is a dope track, by the way. If you don't know it, check it out. It's the piano in that's super dope.
What username did I use
The
before?
chorus is really nice. Like, it's just an overall like sweet song. And yeah, it's just rapping about a bunch of different family stories. You know, it kind of reminds me of the Rapper's Delight song, or the how he goes, ever went over a friend's house to eat and the food just ain't no good. It's like the Kanye version of that shit. Are the stories true? Are they really about his family? And I know my Rapper's Delight impression was right on point. You gotta, don't sign me, labels. If you heard that, don't sign me. I'm good. True or false? Voting is live. Make sure you guys get your vote in, so we know how much you don't know. True or false? The stories in Kanye West's family business are all about the Chicago rapper's extended family. Are they about his family? Are they about someone else's family? Are they completely made up? I feel like I'm on Beyond Belief, Fact or Fiction. Let's see what you guys think. So far, a lot of you guys think it's true. We'll see about that. Yo, yeah, Maui Boy TT, you're listening to Family Business? Yeah, it's tight, right? That track is fucking dope. It's so tight. Silvery said he really already doubts his answer. All right, you guys said true. And guess what? It's false. You guys are wrong. Uh-oh. Her complex, Teray Torre, who sings the They Don't Mean a Thing chorus in that song, helped Kanye come up with the stories for that song. So they made up those damn things together. They're highly relatable stories, though. But they're made up. They made it up. Which I'm sure, like, in some form, maybe they're resembling real things from their lives. But yeah, it's false. You guys are wrong again. Don't feel bad, because that's the whole point of the trivia section. To teach you guys something new.
What have you guys been listening to?
Obvious, and you knew the answer.
I don't know what
Who really cares? Nobody's, like, you don't learn anything.
That was Twitch default playing itself. What a way to ruin stuff. Hit F2 to be able to advance to the next slide instantly.
F2?
F2. Mm-hmm. Unlock that. You're good. You can exit the whole lecture hall. You don't ever have to come back. Exit. Exit. You don't need that. It's a meme guy.
Well, I know that.
I don't know. I just think he's cool. He's just my role model.
I don't know who he is. What's his story? Or is that from like the 80s or something?
Man, you are asking questions and I do not have the answer.
I just do not know.
Okay.
Ooh,
so,
everything's new.
so now you're free to play.
It's been so long. Oh, the cursor is not a plus.
He was moving so fast, and I was like, none of this is making sense. He's like, what's, and you slow down and you pause. Ah, it's fun. Fun. Yeah, so in Explorer mode, you can clear it so you can see what's happening, and then it's up to you to do everything else.
Oh, well, at first I was clicking in the corner, so like, I guess so that worked. The first one I did. supposed to make our own puzzles? Is
Yep.
that a thing?
Yep.
Oh wait, so now let me go back to the.
If you put this in, it'll default some puzzles. It may crash your thing, but go ahead and try it.
What's the thing? Oh, the file.
Mm-hmm. The paste in the INI text. Save. Give it 5 seconds.
Oh, press save.
Give it 5 seconds. Should be good. You're good. Okay, so hold on. So now, so you go to the notes. My thoughts. Switch to friends. Scroll up and down. No. Yeah, scroll up and down in the.
Empty.
That's weird. It's like you need to have something in there first.
Was it the correct thing I pasted?
You need it. I think it's just.
It didn't change, right?
It starts with the numbers. It starts with the numbers. It's 1039207.
Oh, don't include the gold.
No. Let me see how I wrote that down. Let me see if I confused everybody.
Oh, do I only use the numbers then?
No, the numbers. Everything from the numbers to the INI.
Oh. I will delete this friend.
You didn't come here to not delete friends. Okay. Give that a few seconds. Let's see. I guess that whole link is necessary. You should go ahead and add some puzzles of your own to see if that's it's not triggering because you have nothing in there.
Okay. Shoot, what was this shape called before?
Dart.
Oh, dart. Okay, so what?
Shape.
Shape? Oh wait, is there even a? Okay, let's do this.
So there's a weird bug where if you put in a puzzle that takes one click, it'll put it as layer 2. So go ahead and play it again. Solve it.
Oh, you found a more efficient solution.
Then you can kick back.
I'm starting from square one now.
You can see how you do on the
so good with the plus.
you can see how you do on the daily challenge 1 just to get a baseline.
Why is it saying it's from J?
You're Jeff. It's just cut off.
Yeah, oh, okay. J. I had to reset there for a second. Let's see.
GameStop is up.
I think it's originated.
It just kept going up and up and up. I should have invested when it was low. That's what they always say. I didn't invest in Nintendo or anything, but Nintendo recently went up because they were too slow for me.
Classic time of their arch rival. You're too slow.
Uh-oh. Oh no! Reset.
Netflix and Moderna rose and gave me money.
Wait.
Etsy is doing well.
Oh no, come on.
Oh no!
Come on.
Oh, that's on the side. Wait, I didn't mean to click there. Oh, I forgot pass was an option. Shoot.
Man, if you invested in Etsy this March, earlier in the year, you would have gotten a 5x return. I didn't think...
Etsy?
Etsy, yeah.
Did that COVID blow up?
Yeah, apparently people at home doing more crafts and buying more crafts from people doing crafts.
Okay, so we have... This looks like a new thing you added.
I color coded them, and you can see how many examples there are. There's 4.
And then it actually shows you at what point the curiosities are.
Yeah.
What is curiosity? Is that going backwards?
No, it's when you... What is it? You spend a long time on a turn, and then you go faster afterwards. So it's like you were investigating something, and then you're like, and blah, 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 you're out of it.
Okay.
But if you take a long time on a turn, and then a long time on the next turn, and a long time on the next turn, that means they weren't curious, you're just slow. That kind of a thing.
Make a note of it.
You can keep clicking the buttons on the right to keep cycling through them. The purple, green, or yellow buttons, you can keep clicking those, and it'll just keep cycling.
It just takes a while to step through it.
Yeah. When you get unstuck is when it goes from being really long time to lots of quick moves. So you're like, I'm done. I'm done being stuck.
Oh, there. Oh, okay. Probably like here. Just... try again. Can you go back to ones that you didn't finish if you pass it?
No.
Okay.
That'd been kind of neat.
Oops. Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh. I bet Figma has like a template for a user account page and a thing. Hey, look how long it takes me to think about stuff. That
Ooh, okay.
I think I need to look at your stats, Marcus. Did you end up finding the version 8 of enLIGHTen?
Probably have
Question
that.
mark?
I just put Jack on the order.
43. What's interesting from that graph, just from the spikes, I wouldn't think that you had you got stumped or anything. Like even though half of the graph is looking at one puzzle, the pattern of spikes seem to be regular.
you're talking to me, you sound.
That's not far away.
Wait. Yeah, you sound far away. Also, is F4 a button in the game?
That mutes the music.
Sound?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Or to mute the background music.
Yeah, the sound effects are still there.
So I need to find it. Where there's like a. Is it this? How do you step through one click at a time? Okay. So
You can still use the scroll wheel,
corner.
right?
Oh, it's scroll. Oh, scroll. Yeah. I get just the corner, and then I can press there. Wait. Okay, that's not what I wanted.
That's an interesting approach.
It was.
So I'm gonna search Figma for.
It was this corner. So I couldn't. This wasn't solving just the corner. There's one over there too. So one of the biggest ways this differs from the plus sign cursor is that the puzzles themselves, if additionally if another shape just rotated, it does have a different solution than the previous one.
Go ahead and make a note of that in game, if you can.
Also, a little bit of this, I'm sometimes just looking at the single square and just trying to clear everything one by one, and then everything else is collateral.
Hi guys.
Hey!
Did you intentionally pick the dart shape?
Yes.
Or was...
It was another shape, and then I found it was trivially easy. So then I changed it to dart, and I found it sufficiently complex.
You discovered unnamed puzzle. Flow history? Does that work?
Yeah, but you need more puzzles for it to, and puzzles to connect to each other.
For it to make sense?
For it to even show anything, yeah. You can try giving that friend code another try, and let's just see. It's hopefully it won't break everything to pieces. To go to title screen, friend code. Grab the whole thing this time. The whole beta.
So should I delete this one?
You can just paste over this entry and click save. You don't have to delete it.
Oh, I see. Should I use the same thing as before?
Yeah, go from beta to the .ini, like get all of it.
Oh, but include dot.
.ini. Yeah, make sure. And the ini is in there, right?
It's not in there.
Oh, you have to include it.
Oh.
Cool. Save. Let's see if it. File name. Did you not give this game permission to use the internet or something?
No, I didn't do that.
I mean, you shouldn't have to do anything. I'm just wondering why it's not working. Did you play from the zip file? Or did you unzip?
No, I extracted it.
I don't know why this is... Oh. Looks like Daily 2 is broken. Go ahead and exit.
Oh.
It shouldn't be a cross. It should be other shapes.
Uh-oh. Okay,
yeah.
Here we go. Now I see how it's broken. So I win?
You're not getting counted. You probably should just get out. Oh no, look what you did to yourself.
Oh, score 0. Patterns from scratch.
You don't have enough puzzles in the game to kind of play those yet.
Okay. I see. Alright, let's go to this place. Alright, so you have...
Hey, Bleach, what are you up to? Anything fun?
That's exotic.
He's having so much fun. He can't even stop throwing whatever that was.
That corner's a 2, that corner's a 2, that corner's an L. Can I save it?
Of course you can. You can click in this mode, I gave you the ability to click the solution button. Right? And then it shows you the click. You can save that, or you can probably save 2 notes. First the shape.
Oh, I see.
You have to type in which one, because, yeah.
So it won't appear here until I've done it.
Yeah, until you actually add it.
Oh, see, that's gonna pull. Okay, that's gonna pull up the solution as its own puzzle.
Yeah, so click on the dark gray one. Go to
Oh, it won't let me click on that one.
go to my notes, go to my thoughts, and then click on it there, and then click add puzzle. There you go. It's because it's a normal shape from normal enlighten, so it tries to block you, and I was like, stop doing that.
Yeah, that does sound annoying. Did the corners. Oh, it was just the. What's that? Player 9 requires 9 clicks. Okay. Let's see what else we have.
Dart mold. I call that one fossilized arrowhead or something like that.
I like dart mold. So, can I get it straight to a puzzle or no?
Straight to you have to make it a note first.
Yeah, so make it a note.
Yeah, and then you
So
can.
it will immediately become a puzzle unless it was a.
No. You always have to go through this process. This is how I check if it's solvable. You have to solve it.
I mean, going into the thoughts and then saying add puzzle.
That's only necessary if it's an existing puzzle shape. Full is an existing shape. You can just do it from here.
Right.
With the friend feature, if you get it working, you'll see all the puzzles we added, and you can just add them by clicking on them. So it's really cool. I'm just not sure what's broken about it. You're the first person, I think, to test version 8.4.1.
Eight 841 was the one from today.
Yeah, that's the newest one. Let me test something real quick. It's sad he just played some. Lori, yeah, I can see your save file moving. I sent you another friend code you can try.
Okay, oh, let's see.
save, and
So let me see if the toggle works.
you can go back to the title screen. It shows you if it's working or not. Like, go to top. See, it says friend 1. It still says Goldmaster. Yeah, so paste in and...
Oh, I didn't put in the
Okay.
one. I just toggled on and off the previous one to see if that might help. Oh,
Error?
yeah.
That's interesting.
It's a cool loop.
Go to your local app folder and delete the file that says friend 1. I don't know why that error is coming up. It says the error is in line -1. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Go to the folder and then what?
Find the file that says friend1.ini and delete it. You have to boot the game back up.
I only have enLIGHTen 8 gold. That's the only thing in the folder.
So it never made a friend.ini in there? But then how did it make that glitch? Are you sure? Okay, boot the game back up. And on the title screen, make sure you delete that friend slot.
So are those any supposed to be generated from the executable?
Yes. Yours wasn't saving at all? Nowhere? Is that... Check your local app data.
Oh, local app data.
Yeah. So why would that only affect level select? Let's take a look at the code, everyone.
Okay, I found it. Local enLIGHTen new cursor.
Yeah. And then open that up and then delete the friend1 file in there.
Okay.
And reboot, and then on the title screen you delete that file, and hopefully that takes care of it. You might need to reboot one more time after deleting the file from within the game. It's such a cool feature, and it works on mine, and it makes me sad. And
Oh, I also need to remember. Oh, the game crashed before, so I couldn't quit properly. So I have to remember to press quit game.
yeah, it's still saved. It's
Then I need
saved.
my uploaded stats.
Yeah, yeah. And you sent me the error message. Do add. What is the do add error in GameMaker?
To add one undefined value.
Did you get it again?
That sounds like a method. No, I'm just reading it.
Okay.
What I sent you. Maybe that value isn't initialized. You're trying to add one to it. But if it's something simple, just like an integer, then it should auto initialize to 0. It's not going full screen.
Oh, you have to do that on the title screen.
Yeah, it's just that button stuck.
Which button? I can't see it. Which?
Okay, so yeah, sorry. I went to the puzzle mode map, and Akamarek stuff showed up. But if I press the View Friend Data button in the top menu bar, then I get this error.
That's great. Well, at least you saw Akamarek stuff, so... Draw sprite, incorrect type, expecting a number at mgrid draw 0.
Also made another friend one config.
Yeah, so you'll have to go in the game, delete the slot, and then exit the game and then delete the file from your local app data, because it makes the friend one file every time it boots up. mgrid draw 0, draw event, draw sprite ex argument 8.
I still can't full screen.
Okay,
What,
so
is there a,
hold
is there
on,
a quick button for
one
that?
step at a time. I can help you through this thing. Just let me know, either show me or let me know what step you're on.
Oh, I'm just on the title screen.
Okay.
In the options menu.
Okay, did you delete the friend slot? You go into the little button on the bottom left, you click on friends, you say delete, and then you just click save or whatever, you delete it, make sure it's out of there. Then you have to quit the game out and make sure you delete the friend file from the local app data. And that's how you get rid of all that friend stuff. No friends.
Okay, I'm closing out the game again.
Okay. And then when you boot, before you get off the title screen, you have to hit the toggle full screen button. Yeah, that second error says it's expecting a number, but it got something that's undefined. How? Those errors are weird. Why does Duolingo keep messaging me?
Okay, stream's back.
Okay.
Welcome to a world of gold.
Okay, so you
You
still
got
wait.
Screen.
You still have the Akamaic file in the friend one. Okay, click on that Akamaic, and then delete friend.
Delete.
Delete. This was causing it to glitch, right?
Well,
Okay, so
here,
go back into puzzle select and one click at a time. So scroll
stuff
out.
showed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those are the levels Akamaic added to his thingy. You can click on one that's his and say add friend.
My,
Now click the
I
orange.
hit my mouse on something.
Okay. Click the add friend button. It's orange in the top right. Or add friend shape.
It crashed.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. Maybe doing anything with that data is crashing it.
It wasn't showing a filled-in grid.
Yeah, that's
or
by
like a
design.
puzzle. It was just blank.
I'll show you what it looks like over here in a second.
I think I saw like it would just look like before, like regular enLIGHTen.
Yeah, when it's filled in. But it's supposed to take all of them that...
You posted a screenshot above the Futurama bot.
Mm-hmm.
What's that guy's name? It's like Hedonist bot?
Something like that.
Alright, so we're gonna delete this friend and then put the original one you gave.
Oh no, don't do any friend code. It looks like the friend codes are just crashing things.
Gold Master? Oh.
So yeah. Just proceed on your own.
Okay, so it made a friend 1 any again because I deleted the other one.
It
Oh. What's all this? Okay, maybe I hovered over it.
Yeah, I don't think you should have any friends. So like, when you boot up,
No friend.
when you boot up, make sure that you click friends and sharing. Delete everything you see there, all the information in the little drop down, all the little information in the blank or whatever, and then save it. And then exit out and make sure you kill that friend 1 file, and everything should be back to normal. Here's what it looks like. You know, double streaming. I'm sure that's not a good idea. It's supposed to have all of them that you can add in black. And then when you click this, it reveals all the ones.
Sorry, did you send? Oh, you. Oh.
So these are all the ones I can add to my puzzlescape. But if I do regular view, these are all the ones I've added. And they're in the color of the person who submitted it. So this is crystals. This one's gold cakes. This one's Gold Master. This one's Akamaic. And then you can kind of go shopping for new ones by just like looking at all these, right? That's how it's supposed to work. You're supposed to also be able to see all your friend shapes just by something like that. But I collected them all into a master file, and it has everybody's notes because I used the copy feature, and that's where you can see everything being all colorful. Because it's like, oh, like I was trying to give everyone one simple way to have access to all the stuff, but it's crashing stuff. I don't know why.
Do I need to delete the friend 1 any that gets generated each time?
So you need to open the game up, go on the bottom left, like this. Delete the information out of this text field.
Yeah.
Click
and then press delete friend.
Yeah, to click delete friend and then click save, and that'll make sure that. And then you can just exit out of the game, and then you can delete the friend1 file, and it should not generate another friend1 file as long as all that was deleted.
Okay. Cogs. Little shelf.
A little shelf, yeah. You saw this one when you were fiddling around.
It's probably close to that, yeah. Trick shot.
That should be a little shell.
It generated. Oh no.
What happened?
So it still generated a friend1 any, and then when I opened up like the add a friend menu, it just crashed.
That's so weird. I do not know why that's happening. What was the error for this crash in the friend1 menu?
It just. I didn't even get one. It just stopped working.
Okay then. Well, you gave it an honest shot. The gold is falling apart.
It's fool's gold.
Only for fools.
Maybe I should just. I don't know. There might be an issue with the save file. And it's breaking now because I deleted that 0 and then saved it. And then I deleted. So yeah, the friend1 any comes with a 0.
Yeah.
I deleted that, saved it in the game, quit out, then I deleted the friend1 any. Open the game back up.
Okay, well.
And it's still generating a friend1 any each
So
time.
maybe don't worry about the friend1 any. Maybe if there's a 0, or does it let you play if you just don't mess with any more friend stuff?
Let me look at it. I think it will. So I went into puzzle mode for a second. Yeah, none of the menu and puzzle mode breaks.
Okay, go ahead and stream and I'll cry later. Mm.
Okay.
Cool. What's that bleach?
What I asked earlier, I didn't phrase it right. Of course, you picked the tart intentionally. I guess I was trying to ask, out of all, were you experimenting with different shapes, or did you, from your experience with enLIGHTen, did you just recognize that it was a unique, simple shape that would create new dynamics?
Yeah, almost anything will work as long as it's what is it? As long as where you click, it has lights adjacent to it in at least 3 of the 4 other directions, or I guess you could say 3 of the, like, up, down, left, right, 3 of the 4 of those. Because that means every time you click, it's going to be expanding outward in multiple directions, which makes it harder to kind of squeeze together. The first shape I tried only had the lights in south and east, and it was so easy. You just push everything to the bottom right corner, and everything solves itself. So, like, after I realized that you need them kind of around the center of the cursor, the next one I tried was dart, and I picked dart.
Oh, sorry. What was the shape before the dart?
Corner.
Oh, corner?
Yeah, just what you call it? What do you call it?
So just the 3.
Yeah, just 3.
Yeah, that seems like you could just
Trace everything down.
get everything down, yeah.
I didn't know zigzag zags into a zig. Man, and zigzag zags into a little version of itself. Cursing Home Jewel is like a Japanese samurai, so it's like I need to remember it as it's a 4 helmet. Okay. Someone's touching nothing. We can do better than that. Mario Speed Track, baby. Police batons. Little show. I can blind this one.
Trying to think of a name for this.
You want my name?
Give me another few seconds. I just used I used raindrop and puddle. That was just corner, but if they were all related to water, that'd be neat. So it'd be related. Oh, there we go. It's called spout. What did you call it?
I call it primordial organism.
Oh, that was yours. I saw that. Primordial organism. Spout, and then dart's a classic. So then these are all darts. One click. Oh wait, T was the other thing, but any of these would be corner technically. Oh no, not. Oh, no, this was upper corner. Wait, I called it upper corner. So what I should do.
Scorpion.
A scorpion for that.
Oh, not that one.
That.
It's one I was looking for. Scorpion, I found it. I just developed my new heuristic.
I have to redo all the layer 2 ones. Okay.
Did you start a whole new game?
Well, this is my game.
And it didn't save your... I don't know if you put the other ones in. Okay.
No, it's saved them. No, I mean, this is the bug where you have to redo it.
Okay.
And it'll say, oh, you did it more efficiently.
Oh yeah, because it was a one click.
Yeah. I messed it up though. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so they show up correctly.
And the fact that the lines prune themselves, that was fun. Fun to program.
Oh wait, is this considering it the same thing, puddle and raindrop?
It's weird. It considers it the same thing even if it's not exactly the same because of the new cursor. So there's a few idiosyncrasies with what it identifies. But
I see, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Oh. It's just like off center now or something. See that? Oh, never mind. Oh wait, is it supposed to be like that? Where there's this extra ring, the extra rings around each one as you click on it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, let me add the puddle one.
Mm-hmm.
But I had to go into the thoughts menu. Okay, so I have clicking on each of the corners as a puzzle.
What shit could that be? Oh, defibrillator. This is defibrillator.
Well, those are the same clicks. Yeah.
Well, that was a fun trip through Blind Alley.
What is that?
I was gonna do the zigzag zag. I don't know if the mini ziggers are in there. Zig. I definitely would have put it in so it'd be a weird color.
It's a lot harder to name some of these because you're gonna get a lot of asymmetrical looking things. Like what do you call this?
That looks like booty. It's katakana. Japanese.
Yeah, it just looks like a foreign language.
That's what you should call it, a foreign language.
Oh, we're gonna get a lot of names with that name then.
Foreign language 1, foreign language 2.
That's so close to the waffle fry one. I think that's the same clicks. That.
Oh, it's time for me to
It's
go.
like what is that?
cool. I was checking out people's stats and then offering them some specific advice, tomorrow and Sunday. We'll see how it goes.
I found it. E.
The letter E. Let me poke into this file real quick. I'll check on what Gold Cakes wrote. Maybe it's something you guys did with the records mode or something. Something you didn't unlock.
Neat. So now, if I give you my friend code, could you see what the ones I made?
Yeah, quit out. Copy your friend code in your main menu there. Friends in. Okay. Oh, just did you quit out or did you exit out of the program?
Shoot.
Slow down, everybody.
No,
You have to hit the quit
the
button.
friends thing was crashing whenever I went to the friends menu.
Okay, so you still have to quit the program to upload it online. You probably.
I have to.
Did you alt F4?
Yeah, but I need to get that friend code, right?
If you want me to use your friend code, I need you to hit the quit button, so I can see it in my server right here, and then I can put it up.
Okay, you can just take it from the server.
Yeah.
Oh, you could just use my file name, right?
Yeah, it's still not in the server. You haven't put it in the server yet.
Yeah, I just hit quit game. So
Yeah, just boot it and then quit it.
So now, I have a question. If you have two friends with the same puzzle, how's that displayed?
So what I did was I lifted all the restrictions for checking for puzzles and blah blah blah. You're just gonna have to manage it yourself. What it looks like is what I'm showing you. You can see my screen?
Oh, not.
Am I streaming it? Let me.
Right.
Okay. Okay, so what it looks like is I just popped in, Jeff's code. It goes here. I can do this. I can see.
Hey, it's Pac-Man.
So apparently this is lagging behind. So
Big L.
if I do this, all the ones you've added, where are they? Okay, so let's try this. We'll go here, 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 friends and sharing, delete, and then click here, friends block 1, Jeff, save, and we're giving it enough time to. Okay, so now it's given enough time to load up. There's Jeff's. You're this color, right?
Yeah.
So what I've been doing.
All my notes.
So I just copy to the master. Buggy mandible, I like that. Bow tie and stash. Tortoise. There's a lot of turtles going around. Spout. And I'll just do full.
It's definitely easier to make with the dark cursor than the plus.
Yeah. So then I go here. This is what it's supposed to be like. You have your own puzzles and you click this, and then your puzzles jump out. They should be your color. I don't know why this is doing. But then I just do this.
Press it again.
They're purple. That's weird.
Yeah, why the purple? Is it because you haven't completed them yet?
Did you... Let me think for a second. When you first started your lecture hall, you went to lecture 0, right? You put in your name and you selected your color?
I did set a color, and if you go back to the notes,
Uh-huh.
I think it was showing the color.
Yeah, turquoise?
Yeah, so that was my color I picked.
Did you also... You must have typed in your file name, because I don't let you save if you didn't do this right here.
Yeah, just type Jeff.
And then you went to lecture 1, and you unlocked puzzle mode?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out why people
Feel free to pause this.
having this issue. Anyway, so if I go here, I click this, all your puzzles pop up, and I'm like, ooh, I want turtle for myself, which I already claimed turtle. Like, it's right here now.
Wait, where is it?
No, wait, where is it? Where is it? Did I copy it? Well, let's start on this
So I'm thinking maybe it has to do with the puzzle being a duplicate, why it's showing up purple.
It's possible. I'll add Daisy. I'll add Dart Mold. Do I already have? I can just do this. I can hit this. Type in mand. So there's no mandibles here, so I can.
Or search buggy.
Bug?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Add. Then. I'm just gonna. Okay, so now when so that's the proper color. Yeah, your turquoise from J.
Oh, what? What? So you had to add it to your puzzles for it to work?
Well, whenever you see your friend stuff, they show blank, and you want to specifically look at them. You look at your friends from the friends view, and then when you click them, you can add them to your own, and now they're permanently a part of my own with your color.
Oh, so now there's two of them?
Well, so there's
like the E. There's two E's.
There's the one that I now have in my permanent collection, and then there's the one that you have, which is right here, and
From the any file.
Yes.
So there's the one from the any file, and then the one that's in your permanent collection. But the permanent collection one is my color.
Yeah. So if I switch the friend code to one who doesn't have a lot, like Zera or whatever. Let's try this. Save. Okay, so if I go to Zera and then go the puzzle, you see he has much fewer added, so you don't see a lot more of the black ones. And then when I click this, there are all the Zera ones that he added. But there are there's no duplicate E's now because Zera doesn't have an E. So the only E I have now is the one I added from your stuff.
Nice.
So that's been fun. But yeah, I'll look at some of these bugs another time. Quit. And now, if people actually have the master file and it's working, then they get all the stuff I just uploaded. Alright, killing the stream. Get off my screen!
Alright, I'm gonna...
Thanks for playing, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.